Many times when I look up at the sky at night, I wonder, what is there in such a vast empty space? How far are the stars? Are there any planets like Earth? And most importantly, is there life somewhere in outer space? I'm sure you also must have wondered about it at some point. Many great minds in history could not resist the urge to find out answers to these questions. And one of them was James Lick. Lick Observatory, which is of course named after James Lick, it's situated on top of Mount Hamilton, just east of San Jose in California. It takes exactly 1 hour to reach there from downtown San Jose. There is no public transport available due to its remote location. This narrow road with spectacular views takes you 130 years back in history when it all started. James Lick, an American real estate tycoon, came to San Francisco in year 1848 after his quest around Europe and South America. He was also a carpenter, piano builder, and yes, a patron of science. His wealth exploded because of increasing land prices near San Francisco due to the California gold rush of 1850s. In just few years, he became the richest man in California, if not in the United States. And then he generously donated a big chunk of his wealth to build this most powerful telescope yet built by man. The construction of this telescope began in 1876 and completed in 1887. This is the first permanently habituated mountaintop observatory on the planet. Unfortunately, James Lick could not see the completion of this telescope, but it was so dear to him that he wanted to be buried near the telescope, and after 130 years later, he still rests in peace just below the telescope. When completed, this was the most technologically advanced and powerful telescope anyone can imagine. It had the capability to capture photographs, which was not present in any other existing telescope at the time. It became popular all across the world, and many astronomers came here for research. A lot of pioneering research was carried out here, such as finding several new moons of Jupiter and several planets outside of our solar system. Today, this telescope is not used for new research, but the telescope is still fully functional and used to host star parties for enthusiasts and kids. There is a small museum inside observatory which is open for public. Also, anyone can visit this telescope in the daytime and take a lot of pictures. Be prepared to spend a couple of hours up here, but if you are an astronomical geek, then you can easily spend a full day by going through all the old things they kept here. I could not believe they still have original notes taken by astronomers 130 years back. Like this one. These are the actual readings taken by Albert Michelson to discover a new moon of Jupiter in 1891. Although being such close to Bay Area, not many people visit here because of lack of publicity. I highly recommend visiting this place if you get a chance. So next time when you visit San Francisco or San Jose, please go here rather than overrated tourist spots such as Golden Gate or Apple and Google offices. Please share this video with your friends and hit the subscribe button, and I will keep bringing you the videos from such amazing places. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one.